Hello everyone, Happy New Year! Woo! Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thank you for stopping by. My name is Ida. Welcome. So in today's video, I wanted to create a look using the same palette I used on my last video from e.l.f. It's the Earth and Ocean palette. Look at these pretty colors. I got so inspired by them, and I kind of wanted to play with these right here. These light blues. It's called Siren, Oasis, and Saltwater. So, and I also wanted to add probably this brown here just to warm it up a little bit. I really love those colors. Actually, this one was, the Saltwater was my favorite color when I was in high school. Everything was baby blue, or metallic baby blue. Alright, so I'm gonna start. Oh my god, where is my concealer? Alright, so I'm going to put my concealer in my eyes as usual. I do use eye primer, but I have to look for a nice vegan one. I may use both, whatever I have handy, but I haven't picked one yet from e.l.f, but I will. I'm gonna set it with my powder, my HD powder by e.l.f. And now with my crease brush by e.l.f, I'm going to use the Mojave Mami for my crease. So I'm gonna pull it all the way here to the inner eye and really close to my eyebrow. And I'm gonna add more here. To the outer corner of the eye, I'm gonna emphasize more of that brown. And I'm gonna build it up. Alright, and now I'm gonna use the next one. This is called Fuji Fields. Just in the outer corner of my eye, right here. Bring it out as high as I can, just to make my eye bigger and pulling it up. Now I'm going to use Oasis, and I'm going to put it on the inner corner of my eye. Okay, for this color you have to build it up. So how was everyone's holiday? I had a good time. I went back to the East Coast to visit family and friends, but it was very short. I didn't get to see everyone that I wanted to see, but I'll be coming back soon. Do you guys know it's Veganuary? This whole month of January is Veganuary, so I don't know if you're familiar with it, but it's an organization from the UK that promotes to eat vegan the whole month of January. And it's cool because at the end of the month you actually know how many animals you saved and also see how your health overall has improved. So it's very interesting, and I think this is the first year that they promote it here in the US. So it's a really cool thing to do for the whole month of January. It's a pretty color, but definitely you gotta build it up, depending on how intense you want it to be. I mean, if you're not someone that likes, you know, bold colors, then yeah, you could just put a little bit of it and it'll be fine. Okay, now I'm gonna go with Saltwater in the middle towards the end. I might add back Fuji Fields at the end to just, you know, blend it all in. But now, as usual, I'm gonna use my finger for the Saltwater because it's a shimmer and I feel like it applies better with my finger. See how it looks. I'm gonna apply it from the beginning. I feel that this applies better on top of the blue than on its own. On its own, it looks pretty much like a little shimmer. It looks a little white, but definitely applies better on top of the other shadow. I'm gonna add more of the Oasis here in this part and just blend it in with the brown. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I'm going to use my Lucky Liner in Brow Cream by e.l.f. as usual, and this is the medium brown. So now I'm going to curl my lashes and apply a whole lot of mascara. I'm using my e.l.f. Volume Plumping Mascara. When I do my eyelashes, instead of counting to 5, I count really fast up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's tricking my head into thinking it's going faster than 5 seconds. Crazy stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I do lashes at the end usually because I'm not sure if I really want to put them on or not. So I'll do that at the end. Now I'm going to do the under eye, and I'm going to use the same brown, the Mohave Mommy. And I'm going to connect it up. I'm going to do a second coat of mascara. Ugh, don't you hate when you get a little of your mascara in your eyeshadow? Ugh, irks me. I'm just going to let it dry and then I take it off later. So now I'm going to put my primer. And I really like this one. This is the Hydrating Face Primer by e.l.f. It's one of my favorites, especially when I was in New Jersey and it was cold. It was really, really good. It worked really well, keeping my skin hydrated. When I start filming in the beginning, my skin is not really red. It's through the time that these lights just get me so hot and my cheeks just burn. But what else we're gonna do? So now I'm gonna do my foundation, and I'm gonna use the sand. Actually, sand. I'm gonna mix it in a little bit. Sand and the buff. I'm gonna mix it in. Use my foundation brush by e.l.f. With my e.l.f. Beauty Blender, I'm gonna just pat it all in. Alright, and now I'm gonna do my concealer with the same concealer I use for my eyes, the Tan Walnut by e.l.f. Oh, I didn't do my nose. All right, so now I'm gonna set it with my HD powder. Now I'm gonna warm up my face. Also, I forgot to mention before when I was talking about Veganuary that I also have a food channel, and there I'm sharing my recipes, things that I kind of tried and I loved. So if you're interested in finding out recipes, go to that channel. The name is e.l.f, and I'll link it down below. I'm using the e.l.f. Forever Sun Kissed bronzer. This is one of my favorites. I love it. I'm trying to round my cheeks a little more, so I smile and I go under it. Now I'm gonna contour my nose. Alright, now I'm going to spool that thing out. I'm going to take my little spoolie. So dirty. See? I just took it out. No harm done. Love it. So now I'm gonna do my blush, and I'm gonna use the Always Cheeky by e.l.f. blush. It's such a nice one. This one I used it every day over there. I mean during the holidays. And I'm gonna use my blush brush by e.l.f. to put it on. And I'm gonna smile. Whatever's left over my brush, I just put over my bronzer, kind of to my chin. Just because your face is not really just one color, so just give it life. And then I'm gonna use whatever I used with my setting powder, with my HD powder, to just fuse it all in. Just blend everything in. Here. Now I'm going to do my highlighter, which I'm going to use the Laura Lee Los Angeles Glaze Palette, and I'm going to use my Morphe E48 synthetic brush, and I'm going to use diamonds. Now I'm gonna do the bottom lashes. Alright, so I'm gonna do my lashes. I'm using the Wing and Bold by e.l.f. And usually these, I have to cut them a little bit. Let me bring my scissors here. I don't know how these are gonna work because I don't have eyeliner on, but we will see. The band is a little thicker. Good. I mean, it's good, but I feel I have to hide a little bit because the band it is dark, so I'm gonna use my eyeliner, my e.l.f. eyeliner, to just probably connect it in. Oh yeah, that works. And I'm gonna use the Sun Yourself for my inner corner. Love it. And now I'm gonna use my liquid lipstick from Laura Lee Los Angeles in Jaybird, and I'm just gonna do pretty much the outside of the lips to just give it a little more depth. So it's like a darker color, a little bit darker. And now I'm gonna do the Duo lipstick by e.l.f., which is my favorite, and I always have it in my purse. This is the Nita Nudes Duo lipstick. I'm gonna use the lighter part. What is cool is that you can use this at nighttime if you want a little darker for later in the day. Okay, now I'm gonna do my dewy setting mist. And I'm gonna use my beauty blender as usual to just blend it in if there are bigger droplets. And this is the final look. I can't wait to keep using this palette and use different colors, maybe the greens next time, but I love it. I really can't get enough of this right now. Some of the colors you will have to build up, like the one here, which is the Oasis, but overall it's a great color. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell to let you know when my next video on vegan beauty is up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye. I'm getting all red, matching. I think it's the heat from here. So now